Hey everyone, it's me Ibrahim from Undergrad Cyber, and today I'm going to talk about top 5 free cybersecurity certificates for beginners, which will significantly help you boost your career. So, number 5 on list is Cisco Introduction to Cybersecurity. This one is available on Cisco Networking Academy, and you can access this for free. In order to get the certificate, you have to complete these modules. After completing them, there will be a test, and if you pass that test, then you will get a certificate, which you will also be able to share that on LinkedIn. Number 4 is IBM Skill Build Cybersecurity Fundamentals. This one is also a free certificate, and best part is that it comes from IBM, and it's free. And also, it's a beginner-friendly certificate. Best part of this certificate is that, unlike some super short introductory courses, this gives you a broader look at what cybersecurity actually involves. Number 3, Fortinet Certified Associate Cybersecurity. It's Cybersecurity Introductory Certificate, and also it's a free certificate. And also, it's give you a certificate and a badge, and you can share both certificate and badge on CV. Number 2 is Coursera Google Fundamental of Cybersecurity. It's also a beginner certificate for cybersecurity, and some of you might get confused because on their website it is paid. But if you apply for their financial aid, you'll get it for free. And I think it's quite easy because they give, I guess, 10 financial aid per month. Usually very low number of people apply for financial aid. I myself had applied for financial aid 2 times, and each time I got one. So if you got financial aid, then I would say take it. And on number 1, it's Harvard CS50 Introduction to Cybersecurity. If I had to recommend just one course from this entire list to someone completely new to cybersecurity, this would probably be it. CS50's cybersecurity course covers a wide range of topics, including securing accounts, data, systems, software, and privacy. If you want to start this certificate, I have made a video on CS50 and how RO get it for free. There are 2 ways to get this certificate. One through EDX charge, something $200+ US for that, and one from CS50 own website. From there, you can get certificate for free. So, these were top 5 beginner cybersecurity certificates that I thought they would be best for someone who's thinking to start their career in cybersecurity. And you don't have to do all of these certs, you just have to pick one from it. And honestly, I would recommend CS50, and I myself has done 3 of them, which I would say I just wasted my time because all of them are beginner certs, as you can see on my LinkedIn. But if you got some free time, then I would recommend you to do only 2 of them. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.